Before the video starts, I want to give credit where credit is due. The gameplay you see on screen throughout this video is provided by this person on screen right now. You'll find a link for them in the description also. Now let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? I want to teach you how to earn money on YouTube or on forums or just money in general, all by just shortening links. Let's get into it. Okay, so there's this website called ShrinkEarn.com. There's a lot of websites like this, but this is one I really love to use, and I've actually used on a couple of my videos. If you haven't seen my last two videos, or our last two videos technically, I have had those links in there so you can go and actually do stuff. And so what it looks like is when you go to the website, or if you go to somebody else's website that has link shortened, you'll go to it like this. You'll see it on the screen in the bottom right corner or something like that. I don't know yet where I'm going to put it. But then they go to the website and it'll pull them. They'll have advertisements because they kind of have to make money. But the person will go on here and hit I'm not a robot. And then what they do after that is they click here to continue. And that'll let them actually wait the 10 seconds they need to get the link and go where they're wanting to go. And by doing that, the person that made the shortened links actually gets money from doing it. So as you can see on the screen now, you'll be able to go to get link on here, and the person clicks get link, and it'll take them to the website they wanted to go to in the first place. But it does help the content creator make money, so that's good. And so, if you're wondering how to do this, I'm going to show a clip at right about now showing how to get registered. And the link there'll be a link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to go to the video real quick. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description. One sec, it was really annoying. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description. The video will be on screen now, and then you want to go to up here and click sign up. And then after you sign up, it'll ask you to verify your thing with your email. So you go to your email and you verify the email from the link they give you. And then you can put in your email or username, doesn't matter which one. Put in your password and click sign in. So yeah, this is why I do it, and this is how to do it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.